Oops. Oh, your cute faces are turning into a stress face. Oh, oh my goodness, why'd you cook up so many wrinkles? She's going to be a sad one in a minute here. She's working on it. We were doing very well, but she's decided it's going to fuss a little. Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Inte nästan.
Yeah. It's okay. Nothing to fuss about. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Sometimes she does these little half smile things. Yeah, exactly.
My favorite smile is where she cringes up around face.
Yeah.
It's kind of mischievous.
Yeah. Well, she dozed off in spite of herself.
Oh, she'll just have to put that fuss off till later.
She fell asleep in the middle of working that one up.